Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic functional characteristics of ATP. If you guys want to learn more about the cell, its structure and its functions, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic functional characteristics of ATP. So see this figure. This figure shows the structure of ATP molecule. So here you can see an ATP molecule consists of three main parts. The first part is a nitrogenous base, that is adenine. And the second part is a pentose sugar called the ribose. You can see this is a ribose. And the third part is the phosphate radicals, which are three in number. Here, out of these three phosphate radicals, two phosphate radicals are connected to this ATP molecule by a high energy phosphate bond. And this high energy phosphate bond is represented by this structure. Here you can see the one curved structure is there. And this shows the high energy bond between the phosphate radical. And this shows the high energy phosphate bond. You can see I have marked with dotted structure. So these are the high energy bonds in the ATP molecule. So under physical and chemical conditions, these high energy bonds contain 12,000 calories of energy. So this 12,000 calories of energy is many times greater than the energy which is stored in an average chemical bond. And this high energy phosphate bond is highly unstable. So this phosphate bond being highly unstable, it can be splitted very easily, thereby producing ADP plus inorganic phosphate and thereby liberating energy. You can see ATP is being converted to ADP plus inorganic phosphate and thereby releasing energy. And this liberated energy is utilized for performing various intracellular functions. So this ATP releases its energy when this inorganic phosphate gets splitted from this ATP molecule. That is ADP plus inorganic phosphate. And this released energy is utilized for muscular contraction, synthesis of many substances such as proteins, pyrimidines, purines, etc. and for the transport of substances through the lipid bilayer membrane. So now we discussed how energy can be derived by utilizing ATP molecule. So how this ATP can be reformed. So this ATP can be reformed from the energy which is derived from the cellular nutrients. For example, in glycolysis process, the glucose getting converted to pyruvic acid. In this reaction, this ATP is formed from ADP and inorganic phosphate. So that covers the topic functional characteristics of ATP. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.